everyone, this is Carla R. Jenkins. Welcome to an all new episode of Projectized, the project management show where I discuss three things: the business of project management, how businesses use project management, and obtaining project management certification. So, in today's article, I use Google Alerts, so this was very interesting to me. And it came from McKinsey, which is a management consulting company. And the article is Lean Management or Agile? The answer may be both. And this is very important because lean is older than agile. Lean came out of manufacturing. It came out of Japan. The total quality management, if you are studying for the PMP, that would be in quality management knowledge area, chapter number 9, when you're talking about quality and theories of quality. And then you have Agile, which came out of the information technology sector and the computer sector in the 1990s. So it's about 20, 25 years old. And a lot of times people are talking about which one is better, minimal viable product, which is lean or agile or release. So let's just give a little bit background of both and talk about why you can use both. So first and foremost, lean started post-World War II. Its roots were in Japan with Toyota production system, and it's about service operation. And the main goal of lean was to identify and eliminate waste, uh, variability, or inflexibility to boost performance, control costs, product quality, customer satisfaction, and employee engagement, often all at the same time. So now we come to Agile, which is more recent. It was an IT sector. You have the Agile Manifesto in 2001, and Agile has been rapidly expanded into other industries outside of the computer science industry, such as telecommunication and banking, as well as mining, oil, and gas, as I mentioned several times on my show, that I'm going to put the article in here so that people can see it. As I mentioned several times on my show, pandemic is the number 4 job in the project management is the number 4 job in the pandemic per Glassdoor, and the number 3 most popular job for LinkedIn, because they need people to manage moving their projects from in person, which is offline, to online due to quarantine, then the phase reopening back. So project managers are really, really needed. Some states, such as California, Texas, because I'm in the United States, are going back into quarantine. So you need project managers to take you back online again. And regarding Agile, as I mentioned, a lot of people are going into Agile project management lifecycle over traditional. However, per this McKinsey, which is management consulting company, they said that both lean and Agile are better together. And the common misconception with both lean management and manufacturing and Agile is that they're mutually exclusive, meaning you can't have one without the other. So if you have Agile, you can't do lean. Conversely, if you do lean, you can't do Agile. And that's not true, because per the article, it says lean manufacturing or management is for routine, repeatable operations, and Agile is also repeatable too. It's all about improvement, eliminating waste, and the release of making sure when Agile, making sure that the percentage of done and that you have stuff that's fully functional software. So if you look at lean manufacturing, it's fully functional processes. And so some of the commonalities between the two, per the article, is connecting strategy goals and meaningful purpose, which is very important. Discovering better ways of working, which is the reduction of waste and the percentage of done. Delivering value efficiently to the customer, which both Agile and Lean are customer centric. And then enabling people to lead and continue to their fullest potential. So as you can see, what the McKinsey and Company is saying is that you don't have to compete between the two. Furthermore, it adds that lean management includes integrated management policies, continuous improvement, as well as Scrum, which deals with teamwork management, or another subset of Agile, which is extreme programming, which is emphasizing short development of cycles and frequent releases. And if you're pairing them together from lean manufacturing, which is physical products, software development, which is mostly intangible, and tangible, which is lean, they're kind of doing the same thing. And that's what McKinsey is talking about, which you should really, really consider, and the value of using both lean, which is waste reduction, as well as agile. They give an example talking about a bank that was struggling with customer service, and doing both lean and agile has helped increase the customer satisfaction scores by 30%. So that's just an example on how you don't have the two methodologies competing. You can do lean manufacturing or lean management, and then you can also do agile. So they're both customer centric, customer focused, and that's something that you need to consider, especially since right now in the pandemic, people are looking at new ways to use project management, different methodologies of using project management. As you're seeing, there are 5 development approaches: traditional, which is also called waterfall, and predictable. The second one is agile. Then you have incremental, iterative, and then hybrid, which is a combination of both agile as well as predictive or waterfall traditional project management. So I just wanted to let everyone know and talk about more about the 2 different methodologies, their importance, their commonalities, especially right now regarding the pandemic, since project management is the number 3 job per Microsoft. I greatly appreciate it. So this concludes this episode of Projectized. I always shout out people who are live. So I'm going to go to Instagram Live again. And I would like to thank Denver Smith Foundation, Lord Sweat Real, as well as PM on the Cloud for watching me live on Instagram Live. So you can watch me Mondays through Fridays, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Periscope, Instagram Live, and YouTube Live right here. I'm certified project management professional, certified Scrum Master, Cloud, as well as Idle